Hello, welcome to the Atosa Trademark Cooking Series. Today, I'm going to show you how to utilize the factory preset recipes on the Atosa Combi. The factory presets are designed to give the end user a place to start when they are about to begin cooking. There are numerous presets to choose from: steam, bake, grill, fry, roast, and proof, to just name a few. The user would need to know what they are cooking and what the result is that they are wanting to achieve. Once the preset is selected, the unit automatically sets the cooking parameters. The time displayed is a suggestion for the product you are cooking. In this video, I'll be preparing fried potatoes. They will be prepared with the preset factory recipe setting for fry. Let's walk through the control panel. First, we'll need to turn the unit on. Press the switch to the on position. The screen will then turn on, and now we are in the operations mode. The screen is user-friendly and gives an easy access to our Combi Smart Touch icons. Select the manual cooking on the top left of the display. And from here, you'll also go into factory presets. Now, select the deep fry icon. Here, you'll see what the deep fry cooking presets are programmed to. They're programmed to 10-minute cook, 10% humidity, and 100% fan speed at 480 degrees. If you prefer a different time, select the time icon on the right side of the screen to set your new desired time. Once you've selected it, press on the time, select the time that you'd like to cook, and then the check mark to return to the programming. Select the start button and the unit will display the preheating settings. Now select the start button again and the unit will begin to preheat. After preheating, the unit will display ready to load. From here, we'll slightly open the door so that we let the steam out, and then we'll fully open it before we load our product. Now the unit will begin to cook. Once cooking complete shows on the screen and the oven beeps, the process has ended. Be aware when removing the product from the unit, slowly open the door, let the steam out slightly, and then completely open the door. Look at the results. Nice, crisp, and brown product. Thank you for watching the training video. Visit atosausa.com for more resources.